Hello guys, welcome to the third WWE action figure reviewing. Today, we are unboxing the Cody Rhodes main event series action figure. Like the other review videos, make sure to watch them. We are rating them off 3 things: looks, movement, and durability. Here's the American Nightmare. He looks pretty good. I'll rate him 8.8, 10 on looks. Like the other 2. He's also highly articulated, 9.5, 10 on movement. Glamour shot time.
You're now listening to the sounds of Zahir music.
Adrenaline in my soul, every thought out of control. Do it all to get them off their feet. Crowd is here, about to blow, waiting for me to start the show. All the curtain lights go up, I'm home. Whoa! And my father said, when I was younger, hard times remember. You took it all away, I give it all away. Can't take my freedom. Can't change the game, I'm better made to play. I built my kingdom. Oh, you built to pay. My dreams are gonna regate. You'll follow me till the end. I am my kingdom.
That was pretty cool. But now for the final test, durability. The American Nightmare. He's alive, but injured. 5/10 on death chances, so maybe around an 8.3 rating. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on. See you next time.